This screencast will help you create a new gradebook in PowerSchool Learning. After you log into your class, the first thing you want to do is go up here to Grades and then Gradebooks. Once you get to the Gradebook section, click here and come down to Add Gradebook. If you don't have a gradebook, these choices won't be available and you'll have to choose. So I want to use traditional grading. And title your gradebook. Most people like to use categories. You can decide how you want to round your grades. Percent and grade is what I'm going to choose. You can choose whether you want, you have many choices, whether it's alphabetical or due date first or last. That is certainly up to you. I am going to, for the sake of this tutorial, create a new notation set and a new special score notation set. And I'm going to save that. Now it gives you the opportunity to either weight your categories or not. That's purely up to you. You can name your categories. And you can add a category as needed. And click Next. Okay, now this is where you create your notation set. This notation set can be confusing, but the thing to remember is this is where your grade is going to be, your letter grade, and this is where you set the minimum score for that notation. So I'm going to say 98, and when entered, and I just always reproduce this. There are people that do it differently. My A range is the least that you can get for an A is 94, and an A minus, whoops, an A minus, the least is 90. You'll continue adding your notations as follows. And as you can see here, I've completed my notation set. And when you have completed that, click on Save. The next step for your special score notation, as it says here, the most common are excused, unexcused, and maybe absent. Now, you can also choose your action. With an excuse, do you want that grade ignored? Do you want them to have full credit or no credit? So I'm going to put ignore. Unexcused for me would mean no credit, and absent, no credit. That would be my decision because I want them to make it up. And then you click on Save. And that's how you set up a gradebook in PowerSchool Learning.